that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. Romans 8, verse 28. Hey y'all, so I'm back again with another video. As you can see, my eyebrows are slayed, honey. Just how I like them. So, I'm doing a neutral look today. And I also want to add like some Halloween pop vibes. Very simple, very cute. I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna use this orange pigment that I got from Coco Beauty. But I got this orange like pigment from Coco Beauty. That is going to be the star for today, okay? So let's get right into it. So first things first, I'm going in with my NYX Photo Loving Primer, y'all. This is the OG. She's been with me since day one, y'all. This primer right here, y'all, I love it. And it's so affordable. I hope that it's still in stores, y'all. So yeah, I'm just, checking up them brows, making sure they're fleeky fleek. So now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 470. I wanted to do a very minimal look today, so I did not apply a lot. And people be telling me like I don't even need foundation, but honey, I'm gonna put it on anyway, okay? So I just put a very minimal amount and I blended it to the best of its ability. I prefer using a blending brush. Some people like using a sponge, but for me, I just love the brush. I feel like it blends it like awesome. Sometimes I go over it after I use the brush with a blending brush, but I mean with a sponge, but not today. So I'm going in first with my LA Pro Concealer in the color Dark Cocoa, because I don't want too much brightness, but I want brightness, you feel me? So I'm putting that in all my areas. As you can see, this thing was running out, but I was trying, y'all. I was trying. So I went on top of it with my Tarte concealer in the color Tan Ridge Deep. I love this concealer so much, y'all. Like, it is everything. It blends out perfect. It's so smooth. It's full coverage. It's everything to me. So I went in with my Morphe sponge and I'm just, blending it in. Blending it in. And you want to make sure you take your time when blending this part, y'all, because you don't want to look, okay? You don't want to look weird, okay? So I'm blending in all those spaces and take your time. Just take your time. You can see the brightness already. Going there with my Fit Me loose powder in the color Deep. This is the darkest color they have, and I love this powder so much. It is one of the most affordable powders, and it's really good. Using my sponge to apply it to my face. And I don't apply too much, but I apply just enough. And then I go and I snatch those cheekbones, y'all. You could just clearly see how I apply it. Right down the line, and I bring it down. I'm feeling myself. So this is the new palette that they have. This is dark. I forgot, y'all just saw what it was, but this is the darkest palette they have now, and it's perfect for contouring. It's awesome. It's really great, and I'm just applying to all the other areas of my face where I need to contour and snatch my face, honey. So yeah, I'm blending it so that you do not see any harsh lines and that everything is just completely blended into the skin, okay? I'm letting my face bake just a little bit. I usually don't like it too, but today I'm just going to let it brighten. And I'm using the same brush, as you can see, because why go get another brush? Just use the same brush to clean off the excess powder, and you just want to make sure everything is blended, y'all. You don't want to see any harsh lines like on my cheek. I'm going to blend that out. I don't want to see any like powdery substance left over. Like, no. I went back in with that dark contour palette because I felt like I wasn't seeing enough of it. So as you can see, it is showing now. My cheeks are getting snatched slowly but surely, honey. So yeah, I went back in with some more. But this is optional. If you like that very seamless, soft look, you can definitely do that as well. But yeah, I'm feeling myself, y'all. So I'm going in my nose, making sure that it's snatched. Then I'm gonna go in with my dark black color. Never mind, y'all. I'm going in with my nude color, y'all. I didn't go in with black yet. So I'm going to my nude and I'm just applying that all on my lid. And I just keep applying it until it shows just a little bit. And now you're seeing it begin to show. So I just keep applying it until I feel like it's pigmented. Because I'm dark, of course, it's going to take a while for you to see it. But yeah. So now I went in with that black. You can go with any black, but this is my black from my Morph palette. And I'm just blending it on the outer crease. So I applied most of it at the end of the crease, and then I'm just using the brush to blend. You don't have to keep applying black. You're gonna look like you have a black eye. So what you want to do is just apply that one layer and blend. Blending is key, y'all. Apply that one layer and blend. You don't have to keep applying more. So yeah, you want to blend it on like the corners of your eye. Do the window look, the window method. So it's like wiping up and down, if that makes any sense. So I blend using the window method, and yeah, that is pretty much it for the black. And I'm gonna go in with this nude in my Juvia's palette, y'all. And I'm just applying that to the beginning of my eyelids. This is going to create that nude look that I am dying for. Like, oh my God, do y'all see that? It's slowly coming together, honey. Like, yes. As you can see, one eye is more pigmented than the other. So I'm going to go back in and add more. Hopefully I did go back in and add more. But it looks good so far, y'all. Like, and you want to go back and blend the black. So, yeah. And now I'm going in with my white liner. This is going to be used to brighten up that orange, and it's actually going to act as a like glue and a base for the powder that I'm about to apply. If you just apply it by itself, one is going to come off, and two, it's not going to show as well as it should be, as it can. So yeah, I don't know. This is why I don't like white eyeliner by itself. Look how weird I look. So I'm taking my brush, a flat top brush, and I'm just slowly dabbing and patting that orange across my bottom lid. And yeah, it's pretty simple. I have a couple colors. This is just one of many that I will be doing. And I just decided to do orange because, you know, it's Halloween, and yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm about to put my lashes. So bam, this is it. This is me. I'm going in with my liner. I'm going to line the top of my lids. Do you see the difference that lashes make, y'all? Like, I love lashes. Like, these lashes are going to be available on my site. Believe it or not, this is like my 12th time wearing these lashes, y'all. Like, and they still look brand new. I promise you, it may be 12 or more times that I wore these lashes. And look how great they look. I went back in with some powder because I feel like my bottom wasn't bright enough for me. So I just kind of patted it off instead of wiping it off. So I patted it into my skin. And you see that brightness, y'all? Just a little bit more brightness. So I'm going to line my lips with my dark brown pencil from NYX. I honestly just love NYX, okay? I say this like every video. I'm going to put Pearline onto my lips by NYX lip glosses. So I applied about, in total, y'all, I applied about like 5-6 layers, okay? Because I need it to be this nude. It's just this certain nude that I'm looking for. I also added a different NYX color. I will link it in the description box because I don't remember the name. And then I continue with my highlight, y'all, and that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Finishing spray complete. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I love y'all. Bye. So this is the final look. I am in love with this look, y'all. It's like a simple Halloween vibe look. And it just complements the hair so well. Like, y'all, my eyebrows are everything right now. My lashes, y'all, to snatch beauty. These will be on my site very soon. And like, it's something about a nude lip, y'all. Do you see this lip? Period poo. Period poo. Let's do it up close and personal. Oh, this look is everything, y'all. This is low-key inspired by Tailor-Made Jane. She did one with a bright lime, and I wanted to do one with a bright orange because it's Halloween, and you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, y'all. It's been a minute since I did a makeup tutorial. This is me and my little dark skin makeup tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.